To pick up your pizza.
I was colorblind, so I
Alright, so we're gonna play here, guys. We're gonna all be in the maze. You cannot leave the maze, we have to stay in the maze. This is a close quarters game. Don't shoot anybody below 10 feet. Yeah, let's do semi only. So our team captains will be Clint and D. Clint and D, rock, paper, scissors, or duel.
Duel? Do you have a pistol?
I have a pistol. We can duel. I can hold your gun for you. Alright.
Really?
Alright, they're gonna duel.
Really? This
Yeah.
is badass.
I've never seen a duel.
Alright. Hey, today's your lucky day.
I
Maybe
know.
go on the other side.
For honor?
Wide length.
Justice?
This thing's in the way here.
business?
Yeah.
Good luck.
I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You turn and shoot. Alright? Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hit! Did I not hit you?
You hit me in the arm, but I tried the legs first.
Okay.
I also think you turned around a little early.
No, I heard that. I heard 5.
So there's cheating going on. That's cool.
No, he said 5.
Sweet.
Alright,
Yeah,
Clint,
that's good.
Clint picks first.
All right. Clint.
Everyone's nodding their heads.
Oh,
Everyone's
Mikey.
nodding their heads at you.
Wait, what?
We all nodded our heads in unison. You went a little early.
Oh, I cheated?
You cheated.
Alright, you go first.
I'll pick Jimmy. Asians, baby. Asians. Yeah, all the way.
Go.
All right. I'll pick Megan.
Yeah, Asian.
Asian.
Tanner.
Boom.
Nice.
Boom diggity. Sam.
Spencer.
Spin.
Not that bad.
John.
Final 2 here.
Wow.
So I'm the last.
No, Ren. I was hoping they were gonna pick Luke. I know that you're better.
Okay.
Yeah, you're
We
better.
wanted you. We're like, go ahead. Pick
Yeah,
you.
I can tell you
See
what.
what
That's why you
happens.
picked me last. Alright, you guys start here. Once I've done the whistle, you guys start, alright?
Semi only.
Hey guys. 2 hits. The wing rules and 1 respawn. Okay? Team Asian Persuasion. Let's do this.
Asian
Okay?
persuasion.
Yeah.
It's gonna be intense.
All right.
How close are they to us right now? I'll be 6.
I'm under 6, Jimmy. Contact left. Contact left. He's moving right, Jimmy. He moved right.
Spencer, heads up.
If this was a real gun, I would just shoot straight through this wall and kill you.
Nico's got his sights down, aim down the barrel. Nico's moving up.
Stop.
Sorry. Ah! Two, I'm down.
It's got John.
I see you, Nico.
Where you at, D?
Oh, that's hit.
Die. Hit on the arm.
Hey, D. Nico's right in front of me here.
I know. I see him. Hit. Respawning.
Yo, Luke.
Hey.
Ah, hit! Hey, Nico, there's someone right in front of me. Take him out! Take him out!
Hey, I'm pretty close to you.
That's Megan! Hey, someone get Megan! Megan, surrender. Wait, hold on, what happened? What happened?
I don't know.
I got you. Well, you can't say no to surrender. Ren got me though.
Oh, Adam surrendered. We have one more person out there.
Megan's still alive. You got it, Megan! There's someone coming up behind you, Megan! Kill him! Watch it!
At our spawn.
Nice!
To your left, Megan, to your
Keep
left.
him! He's moving around you! Around you, behind you! He's in front of you! Behind you! He's right there! Megan, surrender!
Okay, okay, I want to surrender.
That's hilarious.
Okay. Let's go.
That was so cheap. That got it so cheap.
Oh man, that's intense.
That's great.
Brutal. Sam drew a little blood, baby.
I got hit in the neck too. Nico shot me in
It's
the
all
neck.
good, baby.
All right, we're doing same teams, force on force. One shot, you're out. You get 2 respawns. Go back to your spawn points to respawn. That's it.
And so we're doing in the maze again?
No, just full map. Asian Persuasion, start over here. Other teams start over there.
Cheaters walk. Cheaters walk.
Cover. I got you. All right, we're ready.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Nico went to the left.
Roger.
Okay, they're all moving to the left.
Yeah. You got one guy all the way down there. All right, we're going right to the maze.
Yo, let's go, John. Go, go, go.
I'm moving into the maze.
Hey!
Copy.
Let's cut on far right. Yeah. Sam, what's your position?
Clint, you got John on your right.
Right over here.
All right, you hold him. That's a hit.
Hit! You got me. Good shot.
Nice one, Clint.
Thank you. Hey, where did I come from? Back to the right.
Nico and Spencer are both dead and out of the game.
Go maze, let's do it. I think Sam's in there, by the way. Clint, stay on me, okay?
They're flooding the maze.
Follow me. Okay. No, follow me. Okay.
Right? The maze is being flooded. We're trying to wrap around the outside of it. I just went through the maze.
He's right up there.
Movement in the maze.
Far ways up front.
Stay down.
I'm dead. Hit.
Or the maze. Clint's in the maze.
Hey! Where did that even come from? Dude, Ren, did you just shoot me?
Yeah.
Why did you just shoot me?
What?
I'm on your team.
It's all right, goddamn.
It's over.
That was good.
You guys thought you could get in the maze? Come on.
Yeah, bad idea.
Come on.
That's my bad idea.
Yeah, I got Ren. He surrendered.
That's not really Wait, who won that?
Right in the face.
Asian Invasion won that round.
Good job, even though you shot
well.
me. Good job, guys.
Hey,
Whoa,
yeah,
you got a bug. You got a bug on you. Don't move.